Anti-lock brake wheel speed sensors, or ABS wheel speed sensors, play a critical role in a vehicle's anti-lock braking system. Modern vehicles are equipped with 4 ABS wheel speed sensors, one mounted on each wheel, that reads and reports the speed of the wheel and tire to the ABS control module. The ABS control module then deciphers the data and uses it for multiple systems like anti-lock braking, traction control, stability control, and more. For example, in traction control systems, the ABS control module will slow down or stop wheels that are spinning or slipping. ABS wheel speed sensors utilize 3 different sensor element types: variable reluctance, or VR, Hall effect, and magnetoresistive. The most common sensor element type used is the variable reluctance, or VR style, which functions using only 2 wires, a ground and a signal, and creates its own AC voltage. Hall effect sensors use a traditional tone ring or trigger wheel and creates a digital square wave signal, while a magnetoresistive style sensor utilizes a specialized magnetic tone ring while also creating a digital square wave signal. While ABS wheel speed sensors are prone to failure for a number of reasons, rust or corrosion and vibration are the 2 largest factors that contribute to sensor failure. Their location mounted to the wheel hub assembly under the vehicle means that they're subjected to a harsh environment. The most common symptom of failure for ABS wheel speed sensors is ABS system light illumination. When the ABS light is illuminated, ABS braking along with any other systems associated with it will be disabled. Carquest Vehicle Solutions ABS wheel speed sensors are from manufacturers using extensive research, testing, and validation to ensure that they can stand up to corrosion, temperature fluctuations, vibration, and movement. Here's how. The sensors contain a weather pack seal, a tiny rubber seal that prevents moisture from entering the connection point between the sensor and vehicle harness, which ensures a clean, accurate signal to the ABS control module. By using heavier or thicker wire insulation, Carquest Vehicle Solutions ABS sensors stand up better to the constant movement and vibration that a vehicle experiences. They include new plastic clips, retainers, and hold-down bolts where required to ensure a safe and reliable repair. To deliver optimal performance and long life, Carquest Vehicle Solutions ABS wheel speed sensors are subjected to a variety of electrical, thermal shock, corrosion, and vibration tests. By testing above and beyond what they would experience on a vehicle, they can more than handle the extreme temperatures, vibration, and harsh environments a vehicle sees. As a complete engine management line that's committed to design, engineering, manufacturing, and testing, Carquest Vehicle Solutions is your trusted source for quality aftermarket parts.